Janice Plinth's personal effects from District 12. I was going to return this to his parents tonight as a gift. It would have been his 19th birthday, but I think they would prefer just this. Best friends.
You grew heart in the districts.
No, not in the districts, in the Hunger Games. I should be thanking you.
The credit for the Hunger Games goes to your father. Half of it, at least. I only dreamt them up as an assignment, a joke. I was drunk. Devise a punishment for our enemies so extreme that they will never forget how badly they wronged us. When I sobered up, I wanted to destroy it. But your father, my best friend, had stolen it from me, put both our names on it, and taken it to Gaul to rise up himself. I tried morphine the night that first child fell. I'd hoped the games would die out. I tried everything I could to stop them. But then you came along. And now the blood of so many more generations will be on my hands. Because you've shown us the price people are willing to pay for a good show. Tell me, was she sad when you left 12, your little songbird?
I expect it made us both sad.
My contacts tell me that she's disappeared. That maybe the mayor had her killed, but there's no proof. It's a mystery. And mysteries have a way of driving people mad. Look at you. Heir to the Plinth fortune, nothing in your way.
Snow lands on top.